Hello kids, I am your drawing teacher. Children, last time I had taught you flower vase. Did you practice? Tell me. Okay, this time I will teach you flower pot. Understand? Last time I taught you flower vase, but this time I will teach you flower pot with different flowers. Okay, watch carefully and be ready with your pencil, eraser, sharpener, colors, and if you want to take scale also. Okay, now I am going to start. See children, this is your homework. Okay, just like that you have to do your homework. Now I will teach you how to draw flower pot. First of all, what to do? We'll draw slipping line. You know about slipping line? No, na? See, this is slipping line. Now, one more slipping line. Okay, this is small and this is big. Now, what to do? We have to join. Okay, now the downside, what to do? We'll draw slanting line. Slanting line, left side, and slanting line, right side. Now what to do? We'll join with slipping line. Now our pot is ready. Okay. Now what to do? We'll make flowers. Last time I taught you flowers like this. Okay. For this, what to do? Circle and lines like that. But this time I will teach you different flowers. Method is same. Here you will draw a small circle. Then around the circle, what to do? You will draw curve. One curve, one more. Like this, you will draw curve. Okay. Now join it with the pot. One is ready. Now again one circle and curve around this. Flower is ready. Now again we will do join here. Now here one more flower, curve around this and join here. Curve around this and join here. Now what is left? Leaves. We'll draw leaves now. Our flower pot is ready. Now you have to color. See, I have already colored. You can use any color you want. Okay, see, I have color here: red, purple, blue, magenta. Leaves are green. You can do any color you want. I hope you will do practice. Two types of flowers I taught you. One is like this, other is like this. Okay, this is vase and this is pot. Okay, now you have learned flower pot, and last time you have learned flower vase. I hope you will do practice. Okay children, bye bye.